Good day, everybody. It's Trent Klarenbach with Klarenbach Research. Today is August the 14th, 2025. Let's take a look at green peas in Saskatchewan delivered plant. We're using the Klarenbach price index for the price. We're using a yearly chart, and we're using a candlesticks on the yearly chart. Maybe you've never seen this before. Probably not, because no one else is doing it. Candlesticks, specialty crops, that's what we do. The reason I like candlesticks over line charts when I can use them is there's more pricing information. We can see the full range of the price during that time period. And we can also see where the price opened at and where it closed. So for this example, 1992, the price opened at around 472, closed at, well, it opened at, yeah, the heck did it open at? Yeah, 475. It closed at $6, so that's why it's green. Had a high of $6 and a low of 420. So that's what the candlestick represents, okay? The yearly chart again, take a look at this. We're finding some support at this red 10-year moving average. I don't know if the 10-year moving average is that important, but nonetheless, that is where the price is sitting at the moment. Probably not that important, but nonetheless, that's where it's at. This is the monthly chart. Take a look at this. We just broke below this $13 level. I think it's significant. We made a new low. I also have a few things going on here I'm looking at. I have what I see an A, B, C correction. So how that is determined, you have A up top here. Sorry, A down here. Wave A, B, and then C is another correction, so another wave down. So an A, B, C correction. I think we're on the way to complete that. So what that means is trading at $12.42 roughly right now. I think we're going down to $11 at $10.90. Test this 50% retracement level. Maybe find support there. Maybe we find support from this purple 200-month moving average. But ultimately, I think we're going down to $8.85. I think we're going to break below that $9 level. So I think it's important to consider that. I think we need to be cognizant of the trend and the direction it's going and the path of least resistance. And right now that path is down, not up. The path is down. The trend looks like it's reversed. Keep in mind, I drew this yellow trend line here, and these trend lines often get retested. Okay, so I think it's going lower. I just don't think it's going to go in a straight line. Okay, so what we want to do, and be aware of these possible rallies. So if you haven't sold any and you're sitting on product, you haven't priced any, and it rallies up to back test this trend line, it's probably a good time to sell. Okay, I would really consider that, and I'll try to issue I'll probably have a take profit price target at that point in time. But I drew that trend line. Why did I draw that trend line? Take a look at this right now. This is it. This is where it gets interesting for me. This is what I call a head and shoulders pattern. So if you have a left shoulder here, a head up here at the peak, and the right shoulder over here where I'm moving the cursor, that makes a head and shoulders pattern forming. When it completes is when it breaks this neckline connecting these two, the two bottoms here, right? We did break that. We did do that. Break that neckline, in my opinion. So what we want to do is, okay, so the price is going lower. Where is it going to go? We want to use or calculate a measured move price target to determine where the price could go. So we take the top of the head, 970, go down this neckline. I would say it's around, $12.70. So that's $7, okay? So $7. So we take $12.70. We subtract $7 from that. Where does that take us down to? That takes us down to 570. Yeah, get my math right. 570. So that's down here. 570 is down here. That's down at levels not seen since 2010, right? It's 15 years ago. Does it have to get there? It doesn't. But this is how we do things. We calculate our measured move price target down to that 570. It's a minimum move. I'm going to say even 590, this fib level. But it's interesting. That's how we get an idea where the price is going. And I don't think we can ever say never that the price is not going that low. So consider that. Is it going there this year? Probably not. That's quite a move down for one crop year. But I think we need to be cognizant of the possibility of that happening and not rule it out. Consider that there's a little bit of resistance here, a bit of support through here that I think we have to work through before, that's at that 1150 level. It's got to get past this moving average. It's got a lot of work to do before it gets down to 575, but don't rule it out. My name is Trent Klarenbach. Sunny in Saskatoon. Life's good.